We've got Zane, we've got this behind, and we're gonna go pick up something in the store to make this crazy kart holiday shred a little bit more fun. Casters. You asked for what?
Asked for Santa. And
in the grocery section? Oh my god.
Coming at you live.
Let me see. Because the one thing he forgot to pack in the truck was the Santa outfit. We've got all the carts and everything else, spare parts, but
let him not forget it was a 3XL last year.
The deals don't stop. 98 cents? Yo! Zane, why do you look like you're 10? I'll throw one on my head and we're gonna get this party started. What does that mean?
We're going skimboarding!
Okay, coastal flood warning in effect. Boys, we've made it! We're up north, middle of Florida, and
middle of nowhere.
Let's go! Oh, easy, easy. Get out. Oh, Joe Blaster! Oh, gosh.
Headset bang's so loose.
Just, yeah, let her fall off. It's fine. Oh! Yeah, let's go, boy. Let's go! Oh, shit! Oh! God! Zane! Oh my gosh! First turn! Oh my god, that is, yeah! It wasn't, no way of throttling out. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, Slidey lost the bet. Now he has to dress up as Santa and send it.
Is this a fast one or is these the same as the, was it?
This is the new 1100 watt. A little more soft. Santa? Cramp or like pain?
Cramp. Oh.
Let's see. Any meat off the skin?
No, not yet.
A little.
No, you're good. You're good.
Santa, what do you think of that?
Naughty list.
Yo! Get Zane, he's coming on the back. I found Santa, and we're gonna play who's naughty and who's nice. Gonna give you a 5-cart lead. 5-cart lead. All right, Santa. Hold on, let me get out here. So Santa hunts them down. All right, on Santa's third ho. So ho, ho, ho. Go. Go.
Ho, ho, ho.
Zane? Let's go, Santa. Oh! Jesus. All right, now we got Mr. Brendan Hunt. He's gonna throw the bird in the sky.
You gotta talk about it.
It's Christmas.
You gotta talk about the car. We got 2 red carts here, but this one is new. Do you know the colors? Illusion Red,
Illusion
Thunder
Red,
Kiss,
and Thunder
Gloss
Kiss.
Black, and Gloss Black.
So we got 2 yellows that are back. We got a Stage 5 Illusion Red, Thunder Kiss, and a Gloss Black. Rocking a 1000 watt.
Ooh, no uhs. Come on, loosen up, loosen up. Like you're talking to me.
1048 volt battery. We got a 48 volt controller with an LED kit. Rocking our new TG brake.
Hydraulic brake kit.
That disc brake.
All right, well, enough with the talking. We're gonna ride it because it's Christmas almost. We're all burnt. Red cart, red Santa. All right, Santa, show us how this sleigh goes. That's it. We gotta get back to work.
Merry Christmas and happy holidays. We'll see you guys before you